To add the music to your playlist on YouTube, first you will need to go to youtube.com and make sure you're signed into your Google account or YouTube account in this case. And then you want to go to the song that you want to add to your playlist. So for example, this first song by Shakira. Now scroll down and you should find this three dots horizontal button right here. Click on it and then click on save. Now to create a playlist, click on new playlist button, give it a name. So for example, my playlist. And then you can select the visibility, whether you want to be only visible to you or anyone can see it, or only people with a link can access it. You can also check collaborate if you want friends to help you add music to this playlist, which will give you a shareable link to friends. Now click on create, and this should create the playlist and add the music to it. You can click on see playlist to see it. You can also go to your view your channel button, click on it, and you should see your playlists here and access them from here. And you can do that with any song. So if you want to add another song, you can simply search for it, a song or a video, and then you want to click on the button again, click on save, and this time choose your created playlist. Click on it and it should add it automatically. Subscribe if you find this video helpful, and see you in the next one.